Did you know this? Holding your breath can actually stop hiccups. Hiccups are caused by involuntary spasms of the diaphragm, the muscle that separates the chest and abdomen and is crucial for breathing. When you hold your breath, the carbon dioxide levels in your body increase. This increase helps reset your diaphragm. It's a simple trick that can save you from those annoying interruptions. So next time you get the hiccups, just hold your breath and give it a try. Follow for more simple life hacks.